Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you could join me today. I am just excited. Today is like the 1st of December and we're all in swing for the Christmas holiday and winter. I went out today and it snowed a little bit. There was like some flakes and everything like that. And I got all happy thinking, I go, oh my God, it's the Christmas season. We're on full swing. So I created my my little Christmas journal that I kind of want to take notes in and do a little something. I'm going to try to see if during the month of December I can do something in one of my journals every other day. Now, I'm not going to say every day, but I'm going to say every other day. I'm going to try to put a video up every other day doing something in one of my journals. But this is my little journal I created, and it's you know, just my type of journal, so I could do some writing, pasting stuff in it, and I think it came out really cute. This is the Eileen Hull journal, but I'll get into my journal again when I go back into the journals. But created my little journals. I think I'm going to try to do something in December every other day. Now, let's get going with what we're going to do today. What we're going to try to do today. I am, like I said, so excited about the holiday season. I just love the holiday season. I just love getting myself up and trying to get up earlier and get things done, and got to get the house straightened up and get my Christmas decorations out. I get excited about that. Who else gets excited about that? Because I do. I get so excited about that. You know, and getting, I've already purchased my Christmas pajamas, because I can't go Christmas without Christmas pajamas, new Christmas pajamas. I don't know who else out there likes to do it, but I gotta have my Christmas pajamas. It's not Christmas unless I have my Christmas pajamas. So I got my new Christmas pajamas, and they're all put aside and waiting and ready for me when the time comes. And it's just, I cut my paper a little short, so I gotta put this on the bottom. I was playing around and watching a little TV when I was trying to get all my papers together for this. But it's just like that. I went to the store today and was looking around to see, what I want to do. I think we're gonna try to figure out what we're going to do for Christmas dinner and everything like that. Thanksgiving was delicious. I hope you guys' Thanksgiving was equally as delicious, because mine was delicious. I'm just saying. Got a little ham left. Made a grilled cheese and ham sandwich today, and I'm like, yes, yes. You're not supposed to be eating grilled cheese and ham, but I'm like, yes, eat that grilled cheese and ham. So I ate the grilled cheese and ham sandwich today, and I was just like, oh my goodness gracious, oh my goodness. So I was just enjoying it. The holiday season, I don't care. Even when I was a little kid and we didn't have much for Christmas and stuff like that, just the fact that Christmas was coming, and I knew I would get like some fruit or something like that my mom would have something for us, that I would have something, just excited me. We only got like one, we got one big toy and some clothes. So that was always her thing. You got one big toy, one toy that you really wanted, and some clothes and an outfit. So you always got, isn't that little house cute? I like this paper too, this background paper that I'm using. It's a letter, because, kids, y'all get your letters ready for Santa. Kids got to get their letters ready for Santa. But the thing that I like about this is I'm going to see if I can get this little bit of snow down here. And of course the snow is using my favorite of all time Tim Holtz's Distress Rock Candy. If you haven't played with rock candy yet, I'm telling you, I put rock candy on everything at the holiday season. All my projects gotta have some hot rock candy on it. So put the rock candy on it. Get that nice shimmer. Look at that nice shimmer. Isn't that a nice shimmer? Get the nice shimmer going. You are just in for some goodness. So where's my... I cut that off. Yep. You are just in for some goodness. I think my paper's hanging over, but I'll cut that off later. And what do I have here? One of my favorite characters for the season, the snowman. So I'm not doing much. If I'm going to be doing them every other day or so, I just want to make sure I just touch base with my journal and get something in there and write something in there. And in honor of our little bit of flakes today, there is my little snowman. And I wish I could. I wish I could just flick stuff on there and get it. I want to put some snow, but now I can't find my white stuff. I was going to put some snow all around. Man, oh man, what happened to it? Well, I'm going to tell you, I don't have it. I can't find it. I was going to do some splatters. You know, one of these days, I'm going to come to this desk and I'm going to have all my stuff here so I can do the splatters. I want to thank you for joining me today. Could you give this video a thumbs up if you like my little scene? Isn't he just the sweetest though? He's just so cute. He's so round. And he's so round. Anyway, so he's off to go somewhere. He lives in a gingerbread house, so I guess. Or he's visiting some people in the gingerbread house. I don't know. But anyway, thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up helps all of our channels here on YouTube. So if you're visiting my channel or somebody else's channel and you're enjoying the content, please give them a thumbs up. And if you have a few seconds, just write something in their comments because it helps their algorithm and helps the channel. Even if you just go like it and move on from there, that just helps. Thumbs up and I like it, that would be enough. So if you could do that to help my channel and help all the channels out there as you go visit, that would be much appreciated because it does help the algorithms for our channel. And I'll see you in my next video. 2 days, I'll have some more videos going up because I want to show you my Christmas cards that I made. And I'll have to plan for my next day in my journal. So this is day 1 in my journal. And I will plan for other days. So thank you very much. Don't forget self-care at this time of the year. Self-care is very important. Take a few minutes to just take care of yourself. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye now.